Once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here from Riley's Autos, and today we're going to put a video on how to remove the engine cover, plastic engine cover on a 1.5 dCi. Reason for this video is we've had a lot of requests. We've put a few different Nissan Qashqai videos on and 1.5 dCi engines, and a lot of people are asking how do they remove the engine cover, because we've skipped that part on a few other videos. So here it is, we're going to put it on for you. Just going to get the engine cover off, and then we're faced with a secondary engine cover. Needs some 10mm bolts and clips, but we're going to have to get this boost pipe off first. So down there's a clip which will take this off, and you got some bolts clamping it, supporting it in place there, so we'll get those off. First is the 7mm here. You can pull that off, just keep your Jubilee clip inside. Over here is a 10mm, get that out. Then we can go down to our clip down here. You just need to persuade it out. Then you can pull that out. So basically how that works is you just pull this clip which releases it from inside, and you can pull it off. So now we've got some 10mm bolts. Well, we've got one here and another one here. Then the front are just clips. So those bolts are out. Got a little bit of, you can pull it out, but it's catching on this sensor here, so you don't want to damage that, so we'll take that bolt out as well. Move that aside. Still a little bit tight. So we're going to remove this 7mm. Once we've loosened this 7mm, got another 10mm here again on a support bracket. So now that bolts out, we can just twist it around. So you can lift it up and twist it. But it's a good idea to have this loose as well, so we've got both sides of the clips loose. But even though it's loose, sometimes you just need to break the seal. It's giving it a little bit of a twist. Now we can pull this back a little bit. Just rest it to the side there. Now it should come out easy. Bit of a pain to get that cover off. So there you have it. The cover is off, and obviously fitting it is just reverse of what we done. The boost pipe where we pull the clip out, you don't need to pull the clip back out to put it back in. Leave the clip in place, you push it all the way down and you'll hear a click. The rest of it is just straightforward 7mm bolts and 10mm bolts back together. Thank you and see you later. Please like and subscribe.